Hello collectors! Finally, sneak peek has been revealed of 2023 mixed GK cars. A 1968 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage in matte golden with black side flames with a chrome engine and chrome interior, and it got a 5-spoke black wheels. A 1964 Chevy Nova Gasser, incomplete purple paint job with Supernova decals on body, with tinted purple glass with chrome bumpers, interiors and engine with 5-spoke chrome wheels. A Fiat 500e in sparkling green with details of headlights, tail lights with black interior and black base. A Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy in an electric livery with Jaguar decals on sides, with some blue details with complete black interior and with grey wheels. A Fast Philion in sparkling black paint job with yellow details, interior, and it got a 5-spoke golden wheels. A Porsche Taycan Turbo in new color in sparkling green, with complete details of headlights and tail lights, and it got a 5-spoke black wheels. A 2023 Nissan Z in a new color in complete red with black rooftop and with some basic details. A 1988 Honda CRX in sparkling silver with red interior with 10-spoke gold wheels. A new color of Dodge Challenger Demon in metallic blue with black details on hood scope with complete black interior with SRT, decals on sides, and it got a complete black wheels. A Mazda Repo in new racing livery with mint green paint job with chrome bumpers, black interior. A sneak peek of a Lamborghini Veneno from Speed Machine series in a red paint job with black rear vents with black interior with details of headlights and tail lights. So check out the sneak peek of a car. A new release models from Red Edition series. Let's check out some new Mini GT castings. A Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 4MATIC High-Tech. Color of a car metallic silver. Material made from Diecast. Releasing on April 2023. You can pre-order this car via authorized resellers. A Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster, color of a car Rosso Fisto. Material made from diecast. Releasing on April 2023. A Range Rover 1982 Camel Trophy. Color of a car Papua New Guinea, Team USA. Material made from diecast. Releasing on April 2023. A Porsche 911 992 Targa 4S Heritage Edition. Color of a car silver metallic. Material made from diecast. Releasing on April 2023. A Bentley Flying Spur V8. Color of a car Unifying Spur. Limited up to 8,888 units. Material made from diecast. Releasing on April 2023. The all-new Kaido House widebody NA1 NSX. This 1990s Honda icon gets the Kaido House treatment, is now familiar with the Kaido GT lineup. Tarmac Works presents a very excited to announce a motorsports activities and ongoing partnership with the Group M Racing for 2023, in which will compete in the Intercontinental GT Challenge. This AMG GT3 will feature a very eye-catching yellow mamba design. This scale 1:64 replica of this beautiful AMG is planned, so look for the updates in your space. Presenting a brand new tooling of a Ferrari F40 GT. This is the Italian GT Championship 1992 version, and it is now available for pre-order via authorized resellers. The F40 GT and LM are different toolings, where you can find noticeable differences in their rear wing and front bonnet. Another new model announcement, a Ferrari 488 GTE 24 Hours of Le Mans 2020 is now available for pre-order via authorized resellers, so book yours now. This is the end of the video for today. So hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications so you can stay up to date for further updates. See you tomorrow.